10 Home Remedies for Warts. It's likely that most of what you have heard about common warts is not really true. They are not dangerous. Even the cleanest person can get 1, 2, or 3 warts, so don't label yourself because your body has produced them. Learn about 10 easy home remedies for warts in this video. Warts are simply non-cancerous growths that tend to appear on the hands, elbows, and knees. They grow when the human papillomavirus enters the first layer of the skin, often due to a cut or scratch. Children tend to be more susceptible than adults, but they can happen at any age. Unfortunately, they are often difficult to get rid of. But, with these 10 home remedies for warts, you can fight them. 1. Powder. Mix powdered yeast and castor oil to make a paste and then apply the mixture to the wart at night. It's best to cover it with a bandage. Remove the bandage the next morning and repeat if necessary. 2. Baking soda. You can also try soaking the wart in baking soda. Dissolve baking soda in water and then wash the hand or foot with warts. Let your hand or the affected part dry naturally with the baking soda still on it. Repeat frequently until the wart disappears. 3. Diet. Your diet can influence warts. Eat foods that strengthen your immune system like garlic, sweet potatoes, wheat bread, sunflower seeds, and rice. 4. Garlic. Put minced garlic or onion on your wart. Or, eat fresh garlic. If you don't want to smell like an Italian kitchen, try to swallow 3 garlic capsules 3 times a day or chew a little bit of parsley to freshen your breath after eating it. 5. Hot water. A study found that soaking warts in very hot water was useful because hot water smoothens warts and can kill the virus. Just be sure that the water is not hot enough to burn you. 6. Vitamin C. Cover the warts in vitamin C. Crush a vitamin C tablet and add water to make a thick paste. Apply the paste to the wart and then cover it. Vitamin C is slightly acidic, which is why it could irritate the wart enough to make it disappear. 7. Vitamin E. Wrap the wart in vitamin E. Break a tablet or capsule of vitamin E, rub a little bit of oil on the wart and cover it with an adhesive bandage. Repeat this 3 times a day. Remove the bandage at night to let it breathe and start over with the oil in the morning. 8. Castor oil. The acid that castor oil contains will irritate the wart. The oil treatment works better on small, flat warts on the case and back of the hands. Apply castor oil to the wart with a cotton ball twice a day. 9. Carrots. Cut the carrots and then peel them. Add enough olive oil to make a paste. Rub the paste on the wart twice a day for 30 minutes for 2 to 3 weeks. 10. Lemon juice. Use lemon juice by squeezing a little bit of lemon juice on the wart and then cover it with a diced onion for 30 minutes once a day for 2 to 3 weeks. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.